Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical and fundamental analysis of Koti coin and definitely going to tell you my next long duration targets, my next immediate short term targets and my next medium duration target for this token right now. So please watch this video complete and please thumbs up the like button. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel. For more informative content and very useful information, links are in this video's description. This is CoinGecko page of Koti and Koti is currently trading at $0.23 and price decline 11.7% in 24 hours. This is the 24-hour trading volume 67 million and this is the market cap of this token is 165 million. Total circulating supply of this token is 669 million. 24-hour low price of this token is $0.243. 24-hour high price is $0.28. Current rank of this token is 187 and this is the website of this token. You can just click on this link and this box and it will lead you to the website. This is the Koti coin main website. Koti provides the 7 necessary elements for a perfect payment infrastructure. Scalability, simplicity, buyer-seller protection, and coin effectiveness, price stability, instantly, and security. These are the 7 core elements. Please do your own research before investing in this token because cryptocurrency is very volatile and very risky. I will not responsible any of your trading loss or investment loss because I am not a financial advisor. I am just sharing my information and my technical knowledge with all of you. And these are some partners of this Koti token. And let me please show you some price and other statistics of this token. In 1 year, this token gives 632% gain to its holders. And in 30 days, this token gives 268% to its holder. This is very good profit. And Koti return on investment is 279 and current price of Koti is $0.23. Market cap dominance is 0.01. Trading volume of Koti is 67 million in 24 hours and market cap according to the volume is 0.40 and 27-day low price was $0.19 and 7 days low price was $0.19 and 7-day high price was $0.26. All-time high price was on 5 March 2021 and the price was 0.27 and the all-time low price of this token was at 7 November 2019 and it gives 4,284% gain to its holder. Very good. And this is the exchanges and market pairs where you can trade or buy this token. Binance, HitBTC. And if you want to buy this token from Binance Exchange, then please go to in this video's description where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. Thus, just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. And if you want to collect some small cap altcoins, then click on this link. This is the Hotbit link. Create your account within 30 seconds. And if you want to open a leverage trading account, then you have to open it in Bybit and just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. Let's dive into the content. This is first let me tell you some important fundamental news of the Koti. There are many events that are coming in Koti coins in this month and in 2021. These are the events. Let me please share these events with you. Debit card and bank account exchange mainnet will launch within the month of March. CVI mainnet will launch within this month of March, and exchange license Ultra 2.01 will launch with this month of March. Added liquidity, they will add liquidity within this month of March. Ledger, this event is also in this month of March. and this is Q2 events. CotiPay iOS app will launch on 30 June. Paywise payment institution license during Q2. TrustGen 2.0 will launch in Q2 before 30 June, and integration with Celsius and before 30 June, and DAG 2.0 will launch before 30 June, and DeFi CVI before 30 June. One-click payment system will launch within the month of June. EMI license they will get within or before 30 June. These are very, very important events. And last event, let me please show you. Blockchain Dollars 2.0. This is also a big event, and it is also in the month of June. And let me show you the technical price targets of this token. All-time high of this token on Binance chart, this is the Binance for our chart, is at 0.29, and no, it is at $0.24, and price is declined. After that, we see a pullback from that downside trend line. Currently, it is in this rising broadening wedge, and first target of this rising broadening wedge should be this. Let me please tell you. This will be the target, I think. First Coti have to break $0.28, and then definitely it have to hit this zone, and I am very much certain that within days Coti will hit $0.32. These are immediate short-term target according to the technical analysis right now, and because Coti hit $0.29 in this chart, let me please show you my next immediate short-term target. Let me please show you. $0.35 is our next target. 0.32 and 0.35, these are next target for the Coti coin right now. And let me please arrange this chart, and definitely after that I am going to tell you my medium duration and long duration target of this token. Please friends, keep supporting me, and please thumbs up the like button, and please join my Telegram channel too. I think the best zone to buy Coti coin is $0.18, which is the level of Fibonacci. 0.61 level of Fibonacci is at $0.18. I think we have to buy Coti coin from that zone, which is $0.18. Definitely Coti have to hit this zone maybe within month, maybe within 2 months. After that we can buy this. $0.18 is my target for the long term. We have to buy Coti coin at $0.18, I think. Then let me please tell you my long duration target for the Coti coin right now. I think within 6 months Coti should have to hit $0.75 within 6 months. This is my medium duration target for the Coti coin, 0.75, and my last target for the Coti coin during this bull run and during 2021 is $1.20 is our next target for the Coti coin right now, and definitely should have to give you near about 600% profit, and your risk will be just according to that, and you have to put your stop loss, or you have to put your stop loss at $0.12, and no need to put your stop loss because you should have to hold this coin for long term. I think for 2021, maybe 2022, definitely this coin will give you near about 600% gain, and definitely it is going to hit $1 or maybe $1.20 within this year. This is my very realistic target for this token right now. Currently there are 3 targets. Immediate short-term target for the Koti is $0.32. Then second immediate target for the Koti coin is $0.35. Then our next target for the 6 month is $0.75, and our long duration target may be within this year or maybe within next year. I think it should have to hit $1.20. Within 2021 it should have to hit $1. These are my targets for the Koti coin right now. Friends, please keep supporting me and please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Thanks for the watching, friend.